A trip to the southern reaches of our state on the banks of the Ohio River finds a new hub for a type of agricultural research. $1 million is going toward the renovation and expansion of the Shawnee State University Advanced Manufacturing Center, which looks to bring new capabilities in plastics, robotics, and advanced manufacturing. The goal of opening new markets for soybean-based products. Barry McGraw is founder of Airable Research Lab and was joined by farmers and dignitaries alike recently at Shawnee State to officially sign into existence their newest research space.
Airable Research Lab started in late 2019, 2020 with the whole idea of accelerating commercialization of soy bio-based products, working directly with industrial and consumer companies to develop what they need versus just doing research, using farmers' checkoff money to do research, just to do research. We're doing research based on a customer need, a client need. Thus, we're just increasing the probability of having commercial success, thus creating demand for the soybean farmer. So why are we at Shawnee? So we're headquartered in Delaware, Ohio. Our business model is utilizing underutilized college or university space. So that's why we founded the company at Ohio Wesleyan University. We lease their chemistry space. So we have a lot of chemistry space, but in the meantime, we're getting good at what we do, and we're having a lot of clients ask for polymers and composites, and we really just don't have the capabilities. So we've been talking to Shawnee State, and today we're gonna sign an agreement that says they're gonna build a facility within their Advanced Technology Center, and that's really gonna be more chemical engineering, polymer, coating space. So not only we're going to be able to do a lot of chemistry using soy to create demand, but now we're getting into polymers, which are very big market, commodity type market. And we're again using university space, kind of partnering with university, kind of the entrepreneur side of it, to use space and just really supporting our current business and being able to develop more applications using soy. My excitement is we can do projects we can't do now. When we can help clients or we can work with clients to develop soy-based products that we can't do now without adding a lot of overhead costs to the soybean farmer checkoff. So that's exciting. So we're still in that same business model, staying efficient, using underutilized space, but with the key of accelerating soy-based products, the licensing and commercialization of that. And then, equipment like us, injection molders, extruders, all the analytical equipment the university has, that allows us to do things faster, to develop products so much faster.
Adam Miller is interim dean for the College of Business and Engineering Technology at Shawnee State, says the new partnership means exciting things for the school and its students.
We also really try to engage with industry to be able to provide those opportunities where students are able to understand what it's like working with people and just having that innovation culture or that innovation ecosystem in place where they can learn about what it takes to be a researcher or what types of opportunities are out there. So I think there's benefit for our students beyond the classroom aspect in that we will have some interaction and engagement with the Ohio Soybean Council, Airable Labs, and what that looks like and the researchers that they have on campus.
Airable is funded by the Ohio Soybean Council as well as other soybean partners. And Brandon Kern of the Ohio Soybean Council says the opening of the new lab hopes to continue more of what Airable has been doing in recent years.
Really exciting partnership. For Airable, this is going to expand their research and development capabilities. They're already doing so much quality work in terms of creating new markets for soybean farmers by expanding, the number of products out there using soybeans as input. But today's partnership, what we're talking about is a whole expansion of that capacity and that ability to do even more. And I think, as I understand, talking, with all the players involved here, is a big part of this is going to be in the polymer space, which we know is, renewable polymers is huge and expanding across the country. And so for us to be able to be a leader here in Ohio with this partnership, I think that's really exciting, and it's going to be great for soybean farmers in the state.
Bill Bayless is a Logan County farmer and chairman of the Ohio Soy Council Checkoff Board and also chairs the Airable Research Board.
Creates more demand for our product is number one. Now, in the past, our product is primarily soybeans made out 80% meal, 20% oil. And our big customer was the livestock farmers, primarily chicken. But now, as the world evolves, we see the oil is becoming a driving force behind it. And so we're coming up with all kinds of different ways to utilize the soy oil part of it. So we're trying to take the checkoff funds that every farmer contributes, 1/2 of 1% of the dollar they got from their soybeans, put it into research and build the market for the future.
Education, business, and government leaders from the area and around the state were on hand to celebrate the move, which Ohio Department of Agriculture Director Brian Baldridge hailed as a big win for Ohio farmers.
As farmers, we know we're price takers. We take that price, but making sure that we have markets for the future, things that we can control within our state, through Ohio Soybean Association, through collaboration, great announcements on crush facilities in the past, but it just goes to show the opportunities for the future of development, research that we need to do to make sure our markets are stronger than ever. What is that next piece of the puzzle that creates markets and creates opportunities for Ohio soybean farmers?
Soybeans are Ohio's most produced crop by acreage and the top export crop, bringing in $6 billion in annual revenue in Ohio. Reporting for the Ohio AgNet, I'm Joel Norwood.